Data science is a field that involves the using scientific methods, processes, algorithms, and systems to extract knowledge and insights from the data in various forms, both structured and unstructured. It is an interdisciplinary field that combines the aspect of computer science, statistics, and domain-specific knowledge. Some key features of data science includes data mining, predictive analytics, data visualization, data management, machine learning. In data mining, this involves using algorithms to find the pattern and relationship in a large dataset. In predictive analytics, this involves using the statistical models and in machine learning algorithms to make the prediction about the future events and behaviors. In data visualization, this involves using the visual representation of data to make it easier to understand and communicate insight. Data management. This involves the storing, processing, and organizing the large amount of data. Machine learning. This involves using the algorithm to learn from the data to make the prediction or decision without explicit instruction. Data science has a wide range of applications such as business, healthcare, government, education. In business, company uses data science for customer analytics, marketing, and sales. In healthcare, data science is used for the medical research, drug development, and patient care. In government sector, data science is used for the crime prediction, disaster management, and social welfare. In education, data science is used for the student performance analysis and personalization of learning. As the amount of data available continue to grow, the field of the data science will become increasingly important. The demand of the data scientist is expected to continue to grow in the future, and those with the skills to work with the data science will be in high demand.